Now, here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, a complex forecast, so you certainly want to check back with us tonight and again tomorrow to see how things may need to be tweaked. There'll be a variety of precipitation, and it'll be drawn out over a 2 to 2.5 day period, so a lot to cover. It's dry for now, obviously cold, and no weather problems as far as precipitation. Winter storm watch for now is just to our north over the border, central Massachusetts, in fact, all of central and western Massachusetts, the Berkshires and the Boston area as well. This is from 1 o'clock a.m. Sunday to 1 a.m. on Tuesday. This watch may get extended into northern Rhode Island. As we get more information, we'll make that call either later tonight or into tomorrow morning. I want to show you the timeline one more time because it is kind of a complex situation, but a long stretch of snow doesn't necessarily mean that that long stretch will have heavy snow constantly. In fact, starting tomorrow afternoon, it'll be very light, but the duration of snow will go till about early Tuesday morning. Now, initially, it starts off very light. In fact, the better part of this weekend, the snow is quite light and manageable with small accumulations by Sunday afternoon, Sunday evening. But by Sunday night, it really starts to ramp up and into Monday. A little mixing of rain and sleet near the shoreline will keep totals south of Providence a little lower and then north of Providence a little higher. I'm going to show you those numbers in just a second. Clear, frigid outside right now, only 18. Wind chills at 9. Wind chills won't be quite as bitter as they were last night, early this morning, but obviously a very frigid night on tap, but at least it's dry. Here's the wider view all across New England right now with clear skies. A few snow showers that came through late this afternoon are now well offshore. You can see the heart of the cold air still right on top of New England, and it will stick around right on through the overnight hours. Get in real close. Start off with tomorrow morning. It's actually a dry day or a dry morning. A little sunshine early, but clouds will be on the increase. 11 a.m. 26. During the afternoon, cloudy, not quite as cold, upper 20s to near 30. Some light snow showers by late afternoon. May coat the ground by evening, but don't look for a whole bunch of snow on Saturday, though some coatings by Saturday evening. All right, jump ahead now to Sunday through Tuesday. We'll have this feature set up. This red-blue line right in here is called a stationary front. Like a train track, little weak storm systems or areas of low pressure will ride along it. Each time one comes by, you get a dose of snow or at least some mixed precipitation. Eventually, one of these L's, these low pressure areas, will intensify. That'll happen Sunday night into Monday, and that's when we'll start to ramp up the accumulation. So, as far as the heaviest and steadiest snow, north of Providence, south of Providence, there may be a mix of some sleet and rain, and that will keep the totals down. So the final totals, this is not until Monday night, Tuesday of next week. This is kind of an early call. North of Providence, 6 to 10. That's northern Rhode Island. Providence, Metro, Kent County, 3 to 6. You get closer to the coastline, especially the lower Cape and Islands, 1 to 2. 10 plus the Berkshires, the Mass Pike into the Boston suburbs. And here's kind of the rundown inland day by day. So how it ramps up. So by 7 a.m. early on Tuesday morning, inland areas, Providence north 6 to 10, and on average southern areas about 3 to 6 with lower amounts near the coastline. You can see on Monday the steady precipitation, snow, a little rain mixing in near the coastline. It winds down early on Tuesday, followed by sharply colder weather. Just a real quick hello. Portsmouth Middle School. I stopped by this afternoon or this morning talking to the students about the blizzard of 78 and New England weather and the snow that's on the way. Had a great time. Thank you very much.
All right. Thanks, Tony. And now